Hi guys, now you might not know who I am because it's been a while. I'm Jay Roberts and this is Building My Empire. I'd just like to say hello and welcome back to the channel. Where have I been? Well, just put you down guys. I have been mega busy. I've been trying to work on my video agency. Well, I've started my business basically. I do affiliate marketing and I help, as I'm trying to make money online, I try to share those ways, those methods, so then other people can make money online too. And I've got a mentor, Zach Crawford, who let me give away lots of free training for affiliate marketing. Now he's took that down, it's no longer available. He has created a new course and new training, and I've started it this week. Started it this week. No, started it last week, sorry. Going through all that again, so that's exciting times. What else? My agency, I've been creating the website, so that's up and running. So if you want to check it out guys, feel free. I will leave the link in the description, but if you want to search for it, it's called robertsmedia.co.uk. It's a video production company where I help local businesses. And if you stay to the end of this video guys, I'm going to show you one of the videos we created. We've not done much like video production, we've just like made a quick video, had a bit of me and my son did a bit of acting kind of thing. We've done it for charity for McVitie's and Mind. It's like for mental health, so I'll show you that video later after this. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. It's been a while, hasn't it? Work's been mega busy. It's also been, there's been days where they stood me down and I've had to lose money. As for making money online, I've not made as much as I did the first couple of months, like January, February, March. Made quite a bit, invested in quite a bit, bought lots of courses, invested in another mentor who is to help me with the video production side, so I can try and get clients and local businesses and that. What else? I've got two Facebook pages. I've got one for I've got two groups. One's for like making money online, which is called Entrepreneurs. I've got a page called Roberts Media, and I've also got a page for Movies Games Beyond. Movies Games Beyond is basically like anything to do with movies and games. We put it on there. Any of our days out, we video it, me and my sons and that, we'll put it on that. If we do some acting and we do some guest in movies, etc., we put it on that. So that's a fun channel. That's our fun channel kind of thing. That's where it all started. And I've still got Building My Empire, otherwise you won't be watching this here now. But yeah, that's still like very important to me. I've got the website. I've got a website called Building My Empire as well, which I've only got the one blog post up at the moment, but I plan to make more. I want to like run it with this, and I've got my agency, which is Roberts Media. Got the website. I've not got the YouTube channel, but I've got another channel that I upload the videos to, like local videos, and so three YouTube channels, two websites, two Facebook pages, a Facebook group, and then I've got Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. I'm on that as well. I've updated that. So yeah, I'm busy. Have I made any money? Like I said, not as much, guys. I've still got some. I've got some commissions coming in from ClickFunnels every month, which is good. I've made 200, and I don't know how many pence, but I don't know how many cents, but $200 I made on YouTube from Movies Games Beyond. I've made about £13 on another YouTube channel, but I don't really mess with that one. Got too much to do, guys. And as for my reviews, what I do on here, like when I find some new products, I think I've made about £21, something like that. Not much at all, guys. So recently it's been more about creating things and getting things in place and that, and rather than trying to make money. I mean, we're always trying to make money, guys. I'm always trying to help you make money, but I needed to smooth things out. I needed to take a step back from trying to promote things and get my priorities right, like get the website, get the YouTube channel up and running and going and that. Yeah, but going forward, guys, I plan on making more videos. I've narrowed it down. Like I said, I made quite a bit of money and I've invested it. I've bought things. I've been a bit stupid, really, guys. On Warrior Plus and on JB Zoo, these like new, as you know, I promote courses and that, yeah. And every day, every week, there's new courses coming out all the time, and they sound so good, guys. I've just been buying them, testing them out. Some are good, some are not. I'm going to be doing some reviews about some of them. I may or may not put the affiliate link in the description. I'm not trying to sell. I'm just basically trying to show you about them. Like, so whatever I buy, I'm going to show you. Yeah, so if you decide that it looks good, I'm going to give you my honest opinion, whether you should or you shouldn't buy. I'm going to make more like reviews of my business as I'm going. If things are working, you'll know. If things are not working, I'll let you know. Yeah, like I said, this is my journey to try and build my empire. It's not rapidly, sorry guys, I didn't know you were in the diet there. It's not rapidly growing fast, but it's progress, guys. I'm building on things like the website, the YouTube channels. As you can see, we've got 400 and odd subscribers now, so that's good. It's getting bigger and bigger, and then the other channels have got monetized. So yeah, everything we do is step by step building. So yeah, I don't know whether to show. I don't know if to show videos in the future of me creating the videos. What I sell to businesses, because that's what I basically do, guys. I create videos and I sell them to local businesses. So say for instance, I might make a video about plumbing. I will contact some plumbers and I will put their logos, description, basically their writing on it. Yeah, and then I'll sell it to them, and I can do that. You can do that to lots of different companies, guys. I can even I'll even gonna put some product what I bought, like it helps you create videos in seconds, yeah, and you don't even have to record yourself. You just get content off the internet. So I'll put that on, yeah. So if you decide that you want to sell some videos to local businesses, by all means, go for it. Yeah, so it's just a short video, guys. I just wanted to check in and say that I'm still here. I'm still thinking about you guys, and still want to help you. As for Zach, my mentor with affiliate marketing, like I said, he's just released his new course and that, guys. I'm going to go through that. I'm going to tweak all my funnel and my email marketing and that, get that up and running. So if you subscribe to my channel or you're on my email list, then look out for my emails in the future, because I'm going to be sending them. Sorry guys. Basically, the old course was all like, if you went through it you'll know, but if you didn't, the old course was basically trying to focus all around ClickFunnels, when now Zach's not doing that. Don't get me wrong, ClickFunnels is an awesome program, and we're still promoting it, we're still using it, I use it all the time. We're gonna use it, but not just promote that, we're gonna promote things like hosting and tools, what you need to build I mean, you don't have to have all them tools because you don't have to have a website, but if you do want to go down the road of having a website, then you're going to need hosting. Now, we promote hosting, an email autoresponder, things like that, and it's going to go into more detail, guys. Like I said, the training now, it's not going to be free. He's charging for it and that. So I'm going to try and learn it, and then what I learn, I'm going to teach you guys. Yeah. And that's another thing I'm looking on as well. I'm working on a YouTube course. Now I've invested and bought lots of different courses from lots of pretty famous people, yeah. And what I'm doing, I'm not copying it. I'm doing the courses, and then whatever I learn, I'm going to combine and then make like an ultimate course, yeah. And then I am going to sell it. I'm not sure how much. I was thinking quite cheap, because if it's cheap, yeah, lots of people might buy it. And if lots of people buy it, then I'm going to make some money anyway, ain't I, guys? Rather than if I just put it on like a high price, like the ones I bought, yeah. Don't get me wrong, they've made a lot of money, but that's because they're famous or they're more popular, yeah. And I've only got a small channel, so I don't want to take the mic, really, do I? Yeah. Now, take the mic sounds like big, yeah? Now, stay tuned for the video, guys. You'll know what I mean in a minute. So, that being said, I'm going to leave you to it. I'm going to put the video on now so you can watch the video. Hope you like it. Please comment below if you liked it or not. And let me know if you're interested in checking out the other channels or knowing more about anything I've just said. So, that being said, guys, I'm Jay Roberts. Yeah, this is Building My Empire, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you continue to support the channel. Much appreciated, guys. Till next time, goodbye. Keep watching for the video.